Introduction to pointers. Pointers are variables that store memory addresses. They allow you to manipulate memory directly in C. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of pointers and how they can be used. Declaring and initializing pointers. To declare a pointer, you use the asterisk symbol followed by the variable name. Pointers must be initialized with the memory address of another variable. Here's an example. Accessing the value of a pointer. To access the value stored in a pointer, you use the dereference operator, asterisk, before the pointer variable. This retrieves the value at the memory address pointed to by the pointer. Here's an example. Changing the value of a pointer. You can modify the value pointed to by a pointer by assigning a new value using the dereference operator. This changes the value at the memory address. Here's an example. Null pointers. A null pointer is a pointer that does not point to any valid memory address. It is commonly used to indicate that a pointer does not currently refer to a valid object. Here's an example. Pointer arithmetic. Pointers can be incremented or decremented to navigate through memory addresses. This can be useful for accessing elements in an array or iterating over a block of memory. Here's an example. Pointers and functions. Pointers are commonly used in C functions to modify values outside the scope of the function. This is achieved by passing the memory address of a variable as a pointer argument. Here's an example. Pointers and dynamic memory allocation. Dynamic memory allocation allows you to allocate memory at runtime using functions like malloc and free. Pointers are used to store the addresses of dynamically allocated memory. Here's an example. Pointer to pointers. In C, you can have pointers that point to other pointers. This is useful in scenarios where you need to modify a pointer itself. Here's an example. Pointers are a powerful feature in C programming that allow you to manipulate memory directly. Understanding how pointers work and how to use them effectively is essential for writing low-level and efficient code. In this tutorial, we covered the basics of pointers, including declaration, initialization, dereferencing, modifying values, null pointers, pointer arithmetic, functions, dynamic memory allocation, and pointers to pointers. Thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing to support the creation of more content like this.